we took the proven design from our existing EZ17 diesel-powered excavator that's proven in the market, that's accepted by customers, and we've completely transformed it with a battery system to be completely emissions-free, and you can run this all day long on a single charge. One thing that sets Wacker Neuson apart is this is not just a concept for us. As a global brand, we have been building this machine for several years, and we're on track to deliver our 1,000th unit to a customer here in 2023. So it's new for North America, but as a global brand, we have a lot of experience. So when customers are talking about reliability and concerns surrounding that, this is already a proven, reliable design. A couple other things to note are the charging capability. So customers ask us often about what's charging going to be like. To make it as simple as possible, 240-volt single-phase charging with a common commercial outlet will charge this machine fully from 0 to 100 in about 5 to 6 hours. So fast charging at 240 volt, no external chargers needed, everything is built in on board. And as you can see, very quiet, smooth operation, low noise, which is another consideration. It's not just the diesel emissions that people are concerned about, it's also sound. And you can run this thing all day, indoors or out, on the battery itself. From the operator platform, you have a nice display. That display is going to give you dynamic information about charge time and operation time remaining. So depending on what you're doing, it's going to affect how long your battery lasts. And John can look on his display at any time and see the actual amount of time remaining, and that will adjust dynamically based on what you're doing. So this simple operation, moving around, digging, basic operation, you get about 6-7 hours of runtime. And again, charging it fully in 5 to 6 hours allows you to get back and working. If customers are concerned about that runtime, another feature that sets us apart is the ability to plug that machine in and continue to operate tethered, regardless of what the battery charge is at any given time. So again, we have the first product coming to North America next year will be this EZ17E, and this is the first in a long roadmap that Wacker Neuson is developing globally for the zero emissions market, including excavators, dumpers, wheel loaders, and telehandlers, and we will continue to bring those products to North America as the market continues to grow.